Madrilena Red de Gas is a gas distribution company in the Madrid autonomous region of Spain, and within our area we are the only company responsible for the gas distributions. The decision that we made was to implement SAP in 2011, the footprint being the ERP, so all the financial, all the logistics, and then an industry vertical solution which is SAP ISU, dedicated to utilities, which basically takes on all the energy billing, the metering, and the field services involved there. So we actually had a conversation with SAP when we implemented. We said, look, we are a regulated gas distribution company that is only allowed by regulation to do a certain number of activities. So really, SAP, although it is our system of choice from a functionality point of view, from a stable point of view, we really don't need as much functionality as other companies. So we have a very stable SAP environment. Our best case scenario would be, if we have something which works, would be not to change it. Our relationship with SAP became more difficult. Most people are saying, hey, I'm going to end up having to change from my current SAP environment to SAP HANA, even though maybe I'm not that happy with what the model is going to be, and I'm not that happy with the timing, and I'm not happy of how complex the actual implementation is going to be. This seemed to be an area of the budget that we should be looking at and say, look, if we can find somebody who can do the same, then we should be looking into it. I remember going to you guys and saying, look, we're looking at options. How long can we stay in our current SAP environment? And I would say for the first time, you guys kind of opened my eyes to, no, but hey, there's an option. You can stay here as long as you want.
IT budget is frozen at the moment, so we have to try to save in some providers, in some parts of the budget, to apply these savings to an innovative projects, because otherwise we don't have investment.
We made the decision to go to Spinnaker. The conversation we had with Spinnaker was very easy to have about a worrying moment. You say, I'm leaving one service and going to an unknown service. I think you were able to reassure us in how that would be done and answer all our doubts. So based on the ease of relationship, which for us, being a very small IT group, is fundamental, and then a very efficient economic proposal, that's what made us choose Spinnaker. Within a month, we were in the new support service. In fact, I actually had to ask my IT guys, hey, are we there yet? Because it was seamless, really.
It was very, very quick and easy. In fact, in 4 or 5 weeks, the onboarding process was ready. The communication was simple, and well, I have a good memory that was really easy.
It's not like we've had to do an investment to do this change. We haven't had to do a project to do this change. It's been basically, from one month to the next, we've moved from one service to another. So really the case here is freeing up budget to do other things. When we changed the service to Spinnaker, we had well over 50% reduction in the annual maintenance. We just finished a 3-year contract, our first 3-year contract with Spinnaker, and we have recently renewed for the future, because we see that this is a stable situation which we want to maintain. We've had a support consultation about the upgrade of our Oracle database with regards to future scenarios, and I'm sure we will probably be using that side of the service more in the future. At the moment, we're as happy with the service as we could be.